Hello, this is Cara, and it is Friday Freebie on a Thursday. So this week I am doing Friday Freebie on Thursday the 23rd because tomorrow is Christmas Eve, and I figured people will be getting together and being busy, so I thought I would do it a day early, and then you have, all of Christmas Eve day weekend, once everything kind of calms down, to go over to the Facebook group and download this week's freebie. So I kind of went a little more random. In the past few weeks, I've been, let me grab mine, using our prompts that we've been using for December daily. But then I thought, like for things like reflections, aspirations, and pictures, maybe you just want some more rustic, vintagey kind of pictures to go along, with the look of the journal. So that was more of the direction I went. So we have a couple Santas, a holly basket, some kiddos, and birds, and then some buttons. Oh, and then Santa right here, kind of like a little journaling spot. So that is the freebie this week, and I wanted to use an image or two in my December daily. The day it's supposed to be road trip, but we're not going anywhere this year. Sometimes we'll go up north, but not, I need to do day 20, but we're not really doing that this year, at least right now. Who knows, things could change, but I haven't booked anything, so yeah. All right, so what I did is I printed a picture of one of my dogs. This is Kibbles, and I just love his little face. He's looking at me. This is kind of what Kibbles does. He just kind of keeps track of wherever I'm at. It's kind of funny. So he's sitting outside. Not the best picture, but it's cute of him. So, and our old outside chairs. And then what I did is I cut some of this is a background sheet that's in the Rustic Christmas kit, and I thought this would be kind of fun to kind of frame him, and then of course a piece of scrapbook paper, and I haven't used any of these, so I thought, I need to use at least a couple in my journal. But this is the mini bingo card. So there's large ones and small ones in the bingo card kit. And then I was also thinking I'm not sure which image, but I want to use one of these images. Maybe the cardinal, since this has a cardinal. So I'm going to go cut, excuse me, I'm going to go cut this out, and I'll be right back. I used a hole punch, so it didn't get the whole entire circle, because I had a smaller punch, but it did a decent job. And so then I want to layer this up. I think I'm going to rip just one edge, maybe. Like that. And maybe ink it a little bit. There we go. And then we can put this down. And I have my ooh. So are you ready for Christmas? Being that Christmas Eve is tomorrow. I think I'm ready. Watch, there's always that last minute, like, oh man, right? If it's for food or wrapping presents or whatever it might be. And then I'm going to ink a little bit around here. So I ended up printing my pictures actually on my printer, because my little selfie, I keep saying this in all my little videos, but it's given me a heck of a time. So I was like, you know what? I have some Dollar Tree. This is Dollar Tree photo paper, and it didn't do so bad of a job. And, there he is. And so yeah, I just did that. I'm going to cover kind of this dark, not so fun area of the picture. Kind of frame Kibbles in there. That's pretty cute. Ink this up. So yeah, this has nothing to do with the prompt, but I love the picture, and I thought, well, I think a cute picture of Kibbles, it's not bad. I don't have Bits in there, but he's our other dog. We have Kibbles and Bits. And Kibbles is my dog. It's kind of funny. He has claimed me as his person. I don't know if I've said this before in a video, but I've never had that. Like, we've had dogs. Pogo was the dog that Kevin and I had when we were first married. And Pogo was a girl. Maybe that's it. But Pogo, liked me, and, I was an owner, and, was okay with me, but Pogo kind of preferred Kevin. And I don't know if it's the male-female thing or what, but I've never had a dog just kind of attach themselves like Kibbles has. I'm going to kind of cluster that like that. There we go. And then, let's see, do we want anything else? Let's see, maybe a label. So I gotta write something about the Kibs. These labels are coming in so handy for the December daily. Yeah, maybe I'll put it here or cover the window. I like that. Like I said, it's not the best, like, actual quality picture, but he just looks so cute. I'm just gonna write Kibbles keeping watch. Kibbles keeping watch. And then we can glue that on. And that's a simple page. So it's kind of, again, oh, maybe I want it straight. Why I thought some more kind of randomish Christmassy pictures would be a good fit for the Friday freebie. All right, well, Merry Christmas. Have a wonderful time, and you can go to the Facebook group and download, and I hope you have happy crafting. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.